Assalamu alaikum everyone. If I will ask you how many hours do you usually sleep? Okay, so in my side, from my side, if I will say it depends. Well, I really like to get a good 8 hours of sleep every night because I'm one of them people who find it very difficult to function if haven't had good rest. So I'm really fight to make sure that I really fight to make sure that to get 8 hours of sleep every night. But on the other hand, then on the weekends, it depends, or it might be more than 8 hours of sleep because of my laziness and because of my laziness. So that's the thing actually. And if you are able to rise early in the morning, you can let me know in the comment, and you know that early bed to early rise is makes a man perfect, wealthy, healthy, and wise, right? But I'm really bad at rising in a morning time or early morning. You know that there's actually one problem, or I'm suffering a problem. So I'm trying my level best to rise a morning so that I can practice English. And in the morning time or early morning is a really perfect time to memorize something, or really perfect time to memorize, or if you want to learn speaking English, if you want to do something, it will be this is the perfect time actually, no doubt, right? So for this reason actually, after 4 p.m. to 10 a.m. it's a perfect time to do something, to memorize or study, because if you, in this time, if you will practice your speaking English or any kinds of thing, any kinds of activities, if you will do, it will set up strongly on your mind and long time, and you will understand, or you will think a long term, right? So for this reason actually, the time is very perfect to us, the time is very perfect to human being, right? And as you can see, you are watching this video, oh my god, the circumstances, the natural beauty is totally amazing, and I'm feeling excited. I'm feeling excited, and I'm taking relax. I'm feeling relaxed in this place. And my behind side, there are so many parables I hear. You are watching this video that one side is green and one side is yellow color, like a yellow color, because of the periwinkles is already has been it's a ripe periwinkle, and it's a perfect time to cut these periwinkles for being at home. So that's the thing. And if you will say, if you'll ask me that, brother, actually you are watching we are watching this video, and we want to know that how to speak English, how to start our speaking English, how to start our practicing English. And the most of the people, they don't know how to practice, from where they can start their speaking practicing English. So there's the one part of problem. And if I will say that you have a mobile phone, do you have a mobile phone, the answer will be yes. So why you are thinking about that? If you have a mobile phone, you can you can download so many apps like a ChatGPT, and you know that ChatGPT is the most powerful and most useful right now nowadays, because of and because of it's a cutting edge technology. We are using cutting edge technology to develop our work, to develop our everything. And if you want to know so many things, whatever you want to know in English, about not only English but also any kinds of activities, you can get easily from ChatGPT. So I'm thinking that I will make a one specific, or one much longer, much effective video about ChatGPT. So if you really know how to practice with ChatGPT, you will watch my video so that you can get. And you know that most of the people, actually, I have watched so many videos that most of the people, they shown, and they have made one video that how to practice English by using ChatGPT. But there are alternative ways, so many ways to practice speaking English. So no worries about this matter. I'm here to inform you. I'm here to make you more sophisticated and accurate, so that you can so that you can be a good speaker in English, right? So there's a thing actually, and sitting on the it's a stone. There are so many stones are here, as you can see, because it's a real line. Without stone it's not possible. And you know, a stone, the stone are pushing the film, right, to make it strong, so that if train will go on this side, if train will go on this side, so that train will not fall in down. So for this reason, actually, it's a really effective, I can say it's a really an effective level. Actually, we are not we want to, we don't want to actually think about that, why engineer, why are people they are they bring so many stones are here, right? So there's the one question. Okay, so I don't want to make it longer. Those are watching this video, if you like my video, you can subscribe my channel. And if you want to get so many videos from my channel, you can stay connected with my channel with me, so that you can be a good speaker. And you know, I'm passionate about learning English as well as making videos, so that I can give you so many information whatever I am doing in my real life. And you know, I'm trying my level best to give you so many examples from my real life, from my real experience, so that you can also apply your speak, so that you can also apply your in your life, so that you can understand what is going on with your life, right? So that's the thing. And I'm working hard, I'm working it heart and soul, so that actually whatever I know, I'm just trying to inform you. So I don't want to make it longer. Those who are watching this video, you can subscribe my channel. Assalamu alaikum. Stay well, stay happy.